was over.
I wasn't born last night. I know these hoes ain't right, but you was blowing up her phone last night, but she ain't have a ring or not her ring on last night. Ooh, nigga, that's that nerve. Why give a bitch your heart when she rather have a purse? Why give a bitch an inch when she rather have 9? You know how the game goes, she be mine by halftime. I'm the shit, ooh, nigga, that's that nerve. You all about her and she all about hers. Birdman Jr. in this bitch, no flamingos, and I done did everything but trust these hoes. See me fuck with when a rich nigga wants you.
But I don't fuck with broke bitches. Got a white girl with some fake titties. I took her to the bay with me. Eyes closed, smoking marijuana. Rolling up that by Molly, I'm a rasta. She wanna do drugs, smoke weed, get drunk. She wanna see a nigga trap. She wanna fuck all the rappers. When a rich nigga wants you, baby. And you can't do nothing for it.
Put a ring back on.
hours of Il Molino. A Soto just talking women and vino. The contract like 91 Dan Marino. I swear this guy Michael Rapino's boosting my ego. Overly focused is far from the time to rest now. Debates growing about who they think is the best now. Took a while, got the jokers out of the deck now. I'm holding all the cards and niggas wanna play chess now. I hear you talking, say it twice so I know you meant it. Fuck it, I don't even tend it, they should know who's in it. I'm authentic, real name, no gimmicks, no game, no scrimmage. I ain't playing with you niggas at all. My classmates, they went on to be chartered accountants or work with their parents. But thinking back on how they treated me, my high school reunion might be worth an appearance. Make everybody have to go through security clearance. Tables turn, bridges burn, you live and learn. With the ink, I could murder, word to my nigga Irv. Yeah, I swear shit that started clicking, dog. You know it's real when you are who you think you are.
Everything around me.
I had Benzes for you had braces. The whole black Maybach, but I'm not a racist. Inside's white in the Katy Perry spaces. Yellow diamonds in my Jesus. I just might learn to speak Mandarin. Japanese for the yen that I'm handling. International hold, that's my handle. My Saint Chunk on, light a candle. El Gran Santo on the mantle. In case y'all didn't know, I speak Spanish too. Shout out to Worldwide West. Everywhere we go, we leave a worldwide mess. Yes, still rock life familiar. Says a lot about you if you're not feeling us. The homie said, Hov, it ain't many of us. I told him less is more, niggas, plenty of us. Cake, 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 cake.